Hey Brandon, this is Joshua McDonald, and I'm here to audition for the role of Dan in your film, The Reunion. To start out with by introducing myself, I actually came from the deep south of Mississippi, and I've been living here in New York for 2 years this June. I came to New York to basically pursue an acting career, which is something I have wanted to do ever since I was a little kid. I grew up on films like Jurassic Park, Godzilla, the Lord of the Rings trilogy, Mrs. Doubtfire, and many of the Disney animated films. I mean, I could go on about all the films I grew up with, and a lot of my favorite ones. And also acting idols that I've idolized, growing up would be Robin Williams, Al Pacino, Robert De Niro, Hugh Jackman, and also Sean Connery. To go on, I would say Ian McKellen, Vincent D'Onofrio, Robert Downey Jr., Tom Hanks, and Marlon Brando. 10 acting idols. And of course, speaking about acting, I've had more luck in the film department. I've done both film, theater, and also commercials. I shot a commercial back in April with Hook Audio, with Beyond Studios, to advertise a new headset by Hook Audio. And speaking of film, which I've had more luck in, I've said it twice already, I've had more luck in film, and I've shot 7 Brooklyn College short films since May of 2016. Like this past month, I've shot 4 of them. And of course, other things I've done, theater. I've done about 6 theater gigs, 6. And of course, I love theater, but I just had more luck in film, and plus, I prefer film over theater. But theater is fun nonetheless. It's a lot of fun. You're more in the wide open, and not only that, you get to be as loud as you want. But other than that, I just prefer film. It shows more visual emotions within your eyes, your face, your body language. And not just that, I think film's just far more creative in terms of making soundtracks, from the editing to visual effects to the acting. And I could go on. I could go on and on and on why I prefer film. And also, in your listing for this film saying that we had to belch for consideration, I gotta say, man, I'm definitely looking forward to doing this. I never had to belch just for consideration before. But I'm like, when I was reading, I was like, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, without further delay, here are my belches. First, drink a lot of soda. I can do better than that. Give me one moment. Well, there you have it. Some of the few best belches I can do so far. But in reality, I can do much better than that. Trust me. But anyways, thank you for this fun opportunity, and I hope to hear from you soon. Peace out.